Okay, so now we know that these are the fundamental data types. Okay, like integer, float, boolean, complex, and string are the fundamental data types. We also have, using the fundamental data types, one or more fundamental data types, and we create multiple values as a foundation for the derived data types. We have bytes, byte array, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dictionaries, and range. These many we have. Okay. In them, first we have to understand the characteristics of, okay, derived data types. Okay. First and foremost. Okay. What are the characteristics? Means anything. Okay, if I say a human, what are the human characteristics? You tell me. Characteristics, human characteristics. What are human characteristics?
Are we talking about facial characteristics or
Yeah,
body or
anything, any. Give me some inputs.
two hands, two legs,
Two hands, two legs.
two
Okay.
eyes?
Then
There are so many body parts. We have, if you are talking about body part, then there are two
okay.
eyes, one
Any
nose,
other only physical characteristics you are telling? Any other
there,
things?
kindness. Talk
Okay,
about
those are all called as feelings. You should
yes,
have
sir.
feelings.
Means
Okay. Uh,
intelligence,
intelligence.
emotion, intelligence.
So all these things are
Yes,
characteristics of human being. Okay.
yes, sir.
Same way, data types will also have some characteristics. Okay. So let us see one by one the characteristics of each data type. Okay. Instead of I say it has, say for example, if I say it is for what do you say? For only derived data types are there, they are like collection of elements, correct, right? So there must be something which says its characteristics, right? So what are all those things? Let us see them first. Okay, then we will get into the other parts of what do you say? The data types of the same thing. Okay, now the first thing. Okay, if I have something, whether it is uh, duplications are allowed or not in that derived data type. If I have, say for example, one data is there, it is a collection. If I have 10 and if I have another 10, okay, and 20 and 30, whether duplication will get stored in that particular data type or not automatically. Okay, that you have to, are allowed to add one more 10 after some time. Okay, these things happens or not, duplications are allowed or not. So duplications are allowed or not is the first characteristics. Okay, and as I said, you can have one or more different types of data, correct, right? It can be an integer, it can be a float, or it can be a tuple or anything. Okay, so if any data type, any one of any of these data types, okay, whether they are allowing heterogeneous means I can have within the same any one among these data types, I can have, say for example, if I take that particular data type will have multiple values, right? Those values within the same variable, say a is equal to some variable I'll assign, and I'll assign multiple values in them, whether it is allowing integer, okay, boolean, okay, float, okay, all these values like complex, all everything is allowed or not, or it can be one more derived data type like one will list can be allowed or not. All different kinds of data is allowed or not. Okay, that is called as heterogeneous. Heterogeneous means, okay, a data type allowing multiple types of data. It can be integer, float, tuple, or it can be list, can be placed in that particular data of object. In that particular object, will it allowed? Okay, multiple values. Anyhow, I know that in that object it is allowed. Multiple object values are allowed in that particular object. But whether it allows all different kinds of data in that object or not, that is what it is called as heterogeneous. Heterogeneous, okay, is allowed or not. Okay, third point to be remembered. Okay, okay, list is, okay, modifiable or not, means like adding, removing, and updating the values or not. Example, okay, I have something like a object with 10, 20, 30. Now I want to add 40, whether it is allowed or not. First it was like this, I want to add to it, like a is equal to something like this, is a list or something like that, list or tuple or anything you just consider. As of now I am taking list, 10, 20, 30 is there. Okay, now I want to add some value to as 40 and make it the object to be like 10, 20, 30, 40. Like I want to add 40 to it and update to the A. Add 40 to A. Okay, is possible or not? Okay, that is called as, okay, list modification or list growing or reducing or something. List modification is there or not. Like if I want, like in place of 30 I want to make it as 40. Okay, is allowed or not? All such things are allowed or not? Okay, some list modifications is allowed or not. Okay, so these are some important, what do you say, characteristics. Okay, first of all, whether characteristics, whatever I said now, you guys understood or not? First, you tell me that, guys.
Yes, sir, understood.
All. What are the three important characteristics as of now, which I've told?
Duplications are not allowed or allowed.
Pardon?
Duplications,
Ah,
whether value can be duplicated or not.
okay. Excellent.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Second is heterogeneous. Value should
okay,
be of similar type or not.
okay,
Whether the list can be modified, like if there is a list of 10, 20, 30, 40, and if you want to add
okay,
15, the data set will allow to add or remove or anything else.
okay, okay. So, insertion, so all these
Yes.
duplications are allowed and everything. Okay.
Yes.
The last and important means, okay, order is preserved or not. Order. Okay. I say 10, 20, 30. Example, just take it. Okay. I gave like this, but when I read, whether it will come as 10, 20, 30, or when I read that A value, A is equal to 10, 20, 30. Okay. Uh, this one. Okay. When I read it, okay. When I read it, if I say A of 2, I'll say, okay. A of 2 is, I'll say, okay. I will be getting normally, if it is list, I'll get 20. Okay. That kind of accessing the variables. Okay. Um, order means this is index, this is 0, this is index 1, this is index 2. Like that, it is possible or not. Okay. Means whether order is preserved or not. Because some data types, what they do is when you give 20, some 5,000, 5,000 and 20 like that, but they won't be like any time when you are trying to access, they won't come in the same order. They might come like 20, 500, 10, like duplications won't be there. Example, okay, this is 50. Okay, then you will be getting it as like 50 or something. Means like order the one when beginning and later it is different. The value order you give and value of values of order what you get is totally different. This thing is followed or not. So these are the four important characteristics you have to remember. Okay, first insertion is preserved or not, heterogeneous uh, is there or not, duplications are allowed or not, modification has happened or not, uh, and what is like a kind of format they resemble. Like will there be like this, or will are they going to be like this? Okay, are they going to be like this? Enclosed in which format the data will be enclosed? These are called as characteristics. Okay, you can say it as like mainly four characteristics. Okay, uh, based on this, we will decide whether a specific data type is which type. Okay, now first we will start with bytes. Okay, let us start with bytes. Okay, now bytes, because we have so many. First we'll take bytes. Okay, bytes. What is meant by a bit? You tell me that first. What is meant by a bit? Bit means what? Guys, bit of data, they say, right? Bit means 0 or 1. Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Byte means this is 0 or 1, right? Okay. This is only one element, either it is 0 or 1. Okay. Byte means, okay, these type of things, zeros or ones, are 8 elements, like 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this continuously 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, this is the value is equal to 0. Okay, this is the value equal to 1. This is the value equal to 2. Okay, if 3 means 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. This is called as 3. Okay, so maximum if you keep adding like this, means this first value will be 1, the second value will be 2, the third value will be 4, the fourth value will be 8. Okay, that's why we have, as yesterday I said, when you write it like this continuously, okay, like this continuously, the last value with all ones, like with all 8 values as 1, is called as like 5, I guess. Let me check this once. Okay, sorry. Binary value of 256. Run it. No. Enter 255. Okay. Okay, all 8 values as 1, last value as 255. Okay, just remember that. Okay, so what you have to remember is any value that you are going to put it in bytes should not exceed 255. Okay, and you can have multiple values like that. Okay, now let me show you one example. Okay, a is equal to, what I'll do is, okay, let me what do you say, take one small example. A is equal to, I have taken one list example, 20, 40, 80, some list of values I have. Okay, and I would like to convert it into bytes. Okay, it is a data type. Remember, bytes of, you have to do like this. There is no automatically, system doesn't understand this data type. You have to explicitly say that, boss, you take the A and convert it into bytes. Now you run it. Okay. Now type of, okay, B. Now you run it. It will tell you that it is now bytes. Okay. Now, what did I said? If I have any value, okay, and I forgot to mention you guys. Yeah, I will explain you later. Okay. If I have something, say for example 300 in the same data, and I would like to convert it into bytes, it will not allow, because it should be in the range of 256, within the range of 256. Siddhant,
Yes, sir.
got it? Siddharth?
Yes,
Siddharth,
sir.
you got
Yes,
it
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. It should be anything, whichever the input you are converting it to. Okay. If it can be like A is equal to tuple, also it can be. Tuple means we'll be keeping like this: 500, 30, 50, 60. Okay. Now consider this as B and consider this as C. Okay. Now consider D, converting it to D is equal to, okay, this is B as input and this is D. Okay. Type of C, and I want to convert into type of D. Okay. Oh, this one I'll remove this. If you see this, okay, print, I'll put print print. Okay, I'll run it. Both are converted into bytes. Whether I can give an integer data value, I mean like a tuple or this thing or any set or anything I can give. Okay, any input, whatever I'm giving. Okay, or I can give, okay, E is equal to some 200 I'll give. Okay, some 200 I'll give. Let me try, okay, to see whether this can be. E is equal to bytes of, okay, E. Okay, print type of E. Okay, type of F I'll give. F, not to confuse you guys. F. Okay, I'll copy it and put it over here. Okay, now I'll run it. Okay, okay, F is equal to bytes of, okay, before to that only I gave. Okay, after that I'll give. Yeah, F. Okay, so when I did that, F is equal to type of bytes of E. When I try it by giving some value, okay, there are no sequence of characters. Okay, so what it did is bytes. Okay, F is equal to something I made mess out of it. E is equal to, okay, anywhere I did mistake anytime. Okay, now it is okay. The value whatever I've given, okay, irrespective whether it is having sequential numbers or some single value or anything, it converted into some sort of format which is called as byte. It can be a single value, it can be a tuple, or it can be a what do you say? It can be any type, but the inputs what you are giving, a single value or multiple values, are falling within the range of 0 to between 0 to 256, then it will be considered as the bytes, then only it will be considered as bytes. By mistake, if I give anything 257 or something like that, okay, e is equal to y is converted into e bytes of f, a, b, okay, c, d, f. This is bytes. Okay, let me check, run it. Okay, let me check later. Just give me a second. Okay, if I have something 255, 355 something, let me run it. It will give me an error. It should be range of 0 to 256. Then what I'll do is I will convert one e is equal to 257. Then f is equal to bytes of e, then bytes of f. Okay, let me take this and run this. Okay, I don't know why it is converting, but just remember that list of values. I don't know why it is not converting. It is converting it into bytes. It could be a bug also. We don't know because I'm just seeing it now. Okay, just consider anything value in the sets. This is the first time I'm seeing. Even I tried for the very first time taking a single value and try to run it. It is not. It is successfully taking that. Okay, bytes. It is successfully taking and storing it. It should not happen at all. Okay, maybe let me explore that one. Okay, why it is coming like that for us. Okay, even I don't know. Okay, but remaining things and all, what you have to remember is if you give any list of values to it, okay, those list of values, whatever it is there, the value should not exceed beyond bytes. Whatever means, whatever the values you are giving should not exceed anything. If I have 256 also, okay, that should be not falling within the range of 0 to 256 because it is the last value is 255, not 256. 0 to 256 means within must be in. Okay, 0 to 256 means 255 is the last value. Okay, it should not happen like that. So this is called as bytes. Okay, now one thing you have to remember, guys. Okay, if you have something, okay, say for example, you know that C is now you converted into some sort of what do you say? Let me change this to 5. Okay, what and all I can do with this bytes? Okay, so how you can come to know about it? DIR means like what and all you can do using bytes. Okay, just give dir of C. It will give all the functions what you can do with bytes. Okay, what you can do? You can do capitalize. Okay. Yeah. BAR of bytes of A. Now run it. Bytes. Okay. Okay. Let me show you. Addition I can do. Subtraction I can do. All those things I can do. Let me check with one small example for you. Say for example, I would like to add some element. Okay, say for example, for adding any element, okay, I can use indexing. Okay, say for example, I would like to place some 10 element at and one more 10 element as 10 over here. So what I can do is b of, okay, b of say a of a I'll consider it here. A of 1 is equal to 10 I would like to give. Okay, So here A, right? Now here it is C. Okay, C of, okay, C of 10 I would like to give. Okay, now what I can do is print. Okay. I can access using the index. First of all, let me show you. Print, first of all, B of first index value I would like to know. I would like to get B of C, right? C is the value. Let me remove this for all your confusion. Okay. Now I want the C is the index, what I have list of elements stored. First element I would like to receive it. Okay. It give me 20. Means like inside bytes only it is stored. Okay. Now what I want is I want to know like each and every element what it is there. Just do like this. Later we'll be discussing, but getting each and every element in that particular thing for, okay, first you need to have each and every element you have to read and print on the screen. For that what you have to do, first you have to temporarily store it. Example, I'll take it as X. Each and every value you have to store it. From where you want to access that variable, like X you want to store it some value. Okay, but from which value, from where you want to get it? So, okay, I want to get it from this particular C, which is having a list of binary, I mean like bytes values. Okay, then print. Okay, you give it as X. Now I'll run it. See, the first value is 10, second value is 20, third value is 30, 50. Okay, okay, somewhere I have, okay, here I have to give C. Okay, now see this. Okay, the first value is 10, second value is 20, 40, 80, which are all now in bytes format only. Because we are accessing the C, which is already converted to bytes. We are not accessing here A, we are accessing C, which are in byte format. Byte is nothing but a data type, okay, that allows values which are within the range of 0 to 256. By mistake, if you are trying to provide any value other than, okay, greater than 255, like 256 or anything, okay, it will give you an error. And the second, once we create any byte data type, once you create bytes data type, you cannot add any values to it. Just remember that. You cannot add any values to it. You cannot modify it. Okay, let's see how we are going to check that. Okay, take it. Okay, now C is equal to bytes you have converted. Now I want to add value of 100. Okay, value of first element as 100. First element I want to put it as 100. Let's run it. Okay, now it says tuple object does not support item insertion. Tuple object does not support item insertion because it is internally considering bytes. First it will convert everything into tuple. Okay, and it will start appending it, the data. Okay, it start appending, and once first time it adds everything, it when it creates, it doesn't allow you to modify anything. Okay, if I have to try to modify it, it is not possible. Okay, byte object doesn't support item assignment, actually it should say. Okay, B of C is equal to B of A, bytes of something. Okay, but if you try to give this type or bytes object does not support, it should come, but I don't know why it is. Oh, sorry, guys. Yeah, that is the reason why it is not allowing. C is equal to C of 0. Okay, I would like to, guys, are you seeing? Because I am doing mistakes and you are not pointing out. Okay, okay, bytes object does not. That's what after seeing the error only I have come to know that I have given here B or something like that. Okay, because I have used a lot of things prior to that. Okay. Okay, C of 10, I am trying to add 100. Okay, 0. first index keep 100 value. Then it told that to me that bytes object does not support item assignment, means new items, all those things, it is not possible in bytes. So boss, but I want to add sometimes, what is the option I have? Okay, you are telling bytes is very good, that within this range of 256 values you can convert them into bytes if any input you give. Okay, if any other things like if you have anything beyond, it doesn't allow. Okay, so now let us come back to our characteristics. First characteristics. Okay, first characteristic what, guys? Duplication is allowed or not? Okay, let me put one duplicate value here, whether I will be able to convert it into byte or not. First characteristic. Okay, print of C. Okay, some object you will get it. Okay, but to get all the values, you can get it using for loop only. For X in range, for not in X in C. Print X. Okay, like this we will see. Okay, this is the easiest way to get all the byte values. Okay, so first duplications is allowed or not here?
Allowed.
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 So first
Allowed.
characteristic you understood. Okay,
Yes.
first characteristic you understood. Okay, let's go to the second characteristics. Heterogeneous is allowed or not? Okay,
Yes.
see, I would like to put hello here, means a string data type. Will it be allowed whether it gets converted into byte or not? First, let me check what it said.
String object cannot be interpreted as an integer.
Integer,
Yes.
correct, right? So heterogeneous is not allowed for converting into bytes.
Right.
It is not allowed. Only number should be there, and that too it should be within the range of 256, means till 255, within 256 means till 255, 0 to 255. Okay, now two characteristics. Siddhant,
Yes, sir.
got it right?
Yes, sir.
Siddharth, you got it right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Siddharth, you're not there?
No, I'm there, sir. I'm there.
No, you
Hello.
got it or not? This one, heterogeneous.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Got it. Got
Two
it.
characteristics we have seen. Third characteristic, list can be modified or not. We tried to put a new variable. That's what we did, right? Correct,
Yes.
right? Okay.
First
Like
one.
C of 0, I want to add a new element that is 100. Okay. Let me run that. Okay. The object cannot be interpreted into. Oh, they have to remove it. Okay. Just remove it. Okay. Object byte does not support item assignment. It means you cannot modify it. Okay, so three characteristics we have seen. Modification is also not allowed. Okay, now order is preserved or not? First, okay, simple way I'll do this. Okay, no matter how many number of times I run it, okay, I'm getting the same. See, multiple times I'm running, I'm getting the same values, right? Like the order, whatever it is there, first element 10, 10 I'm getting. 10, 10 I'm getting. 20, third element 20 I'm getting. 40, whichever it is stored in the bytes only. In C, whatever it's stored, that thing. I'm getting the order. Proper order is there. Okay? Because if I want to access, say for example, here, print, okay, C of 10, C of 3, I want to know. Means index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3. Okay, this in this order 40 is there. I should get 40 now. I got 40. I don't have any issues. Any number of times I run, I get 40 only. Okay, remember that is called as ordering. Ordering always maps to the indexing. Okay, wherever the indexing is allowed, definitely order is there. Okay, okay. Now there are few data types which there is no indexing. Okay, so their order won't be there. We will discuss them later. Okay, but now the order is preserved or not?
Yeah, it is. It is
It is
preserved.
preserved. So
Yes.
now you got the characteristics of bytes. So that's why I have first given the characteristics. Then once if you learn the characteristics, it is easy for you. Someone asks you any interview question, you give me that bytes. What things can be? What is the difference in between bytes and bytes array? Okay, now to fix this problem of okay, which we cannot add new elements. Byte array is exactly the same like bytes only. There is no difference, but one extra characteristics you can add in byte array where you can add and remove the elements. Okay, and you can modify the elements. Okay, now let us see that. I have this thing. Okay, now what I want is um, C of first index. I want to add say 100. Okay, now 100 is not there, right? Anywhere I have not kept it. First element I want to see it as 100. Okay, now you see first element means 0, 0th index. I gave it as 1, so 0th index. Let us see. Earlier 10 was there and next to it 10 was there. Now let us see. Okay.
Bytes.
Oh, bytes, right? This
Yeah,
is
we
has to
changed that.
converted
Bytes.
into
Bytes
yeah,
array.
bytes array. Byte array. Byte, it's not bytes, byte array. Okay. Now I'll run it. Guys, if you see this, the first element is what? Let me cut this. First element is what? 100. Correct, right?
Yes, yes,
What
yes.
you have done, you have added it.
Change.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second element is 10. Third element is 20. It is not modified A. It is modified byte array. That is C. So that's why you are seeing first 100, 10, 20, 40, 80. Okay. And point to be remembered, if you directly try to print C, what it will give you? Object reference only it will give you. Object reference only it will give. Object reference means this is where somewhere, some location, this is actually stored. This is actually stored. Okay. And it is converted into byte array. First it is converted into byte. Okay. Then it is converted into byte array. If you see, if I say it is only bytes, see this, till here only it will be. Okay. Till here only it will be. This byte array won't come. I will show you here. Bytes, and I'll remove this. Okay. I'll remove this. If you see, byte array won't be there. Only from B to everything will be the same till P and everything. See, am I correct or not?
Yes.
This is bytes. Somewhere it is referring to this list. Correct, right? Now, what I've done, I converted into byte array. Now that entire byte is converted into byte array, and it applies some characteristics. That characteristics is you can add elements now for this. Okay. So now you tell me, duplication is preserved or not in byte array?
Yes.
Yes. Heterogeneous allowed or not?
Allowed.
Allowed?
Heterogeneous values. No,
Allowed
sir.
or not?
String was not allowed.
No, only
Not allowed.
numbers.
No.
Only
Only
numbers.
numbers.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. It can be modified or not? Byte array.
It can be. It should be.
Yeah. Okay. Order is preserved or not? Order.
Yes, sir. Only
Order is
list is
preserved.
modifiable.
Yes. Because, no, order is preserved because like we are getting the same elements any number of times you run. Correct,
Yes.
right? We are able to access the index values and you can get it. That is how it is possible. Okay. Now this is called as byte array. Now you got both the things. Okay. Bytes and byte array. Okay. Next we are going for list. Okay. We'll go for list. Okay. This is only the list. Okay. Now let us consider one by one. Okay. First, what is the first character? Duplication is allowed or not? Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Print A. Okay, I'll run it. Okay, duplications are allowed because I got all the values, whatever I have given, all values I have got. Okay. Now, second characteristic, you tell me. What is that? Huh?
Heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous.
Sir. Yes.
Okay. I will try to add heterogeneous, right?
Yes.
First element with some text, hello. Okay. Heterogeneous supports are not. In this way, I will try. Okay. Okay. Now I will try to print A. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Print type of A. Okay. Now, heterogeneous is allowed or not here. Now, we have seen what it happened. Allowed or not?
Allowed, sir.
Okay. Now, first two characteristics we are done. Correct, right? Heterogeneous and duplications. Okay. Now, list is modified or not?
It's done because we added hello, right?
Yes. List is modified. Okay. Now, order is preserved or not? Okay. Now, for that, it is easiest way is to use for loop. For I in A. Okay. Now, instead of X, I have taken I. Okay. Now, print of I, each and every value of I. Okay. Now, whatever the first element I have given it as 10. 10 has come. Second element was hello. Hello has come. Third element is 20. 20 has just come. Next 40. 40 has come. Next 80. 80 has come. Order is preserved or not?
Yes, sir. Please.
Yes. This is called as list. Okay. Got it right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, point to remember. Okay. Now, before object creation, okay, ID of A, print. This is for you, Siddharth. This is for you. Okay. I have done modifications. Okay. Then after that, okay. Oh, sorry. Siddharth, this
Yes,
is for
sir.
you. Yeah, this is for you just to understand this because you have that memory location related things to clarify it. Okay. The first, this particular thing, okay, whatever 10, 10, 20, 20, this A is having this particular, okay, I'll put it here. Then I'll run it. Okay. First, what we have, all these values were there, and its address is this thing 0456 last. Correct, right? It is stored
Yes, sir.
there. Okay. Then what I have done, I have this is a list. Okay, and I have modified the list. Correct, right? When I modified that list, one more new element added. Okay. Now, if you observe, okay, after modifying the element, okay, whether I'm pointing to the same object or not.
Yeah, same object.
Correct. So, this is mutable or immutable?
Lists are immutable in the means.
Mutable, right? Mutable means you can change.
Yeah, we can change the value of an object.
Yes, that is what it happened. The object is there, it had some values, and we have modified that, but still the object remains the same because it is mutable. Means
Yes.
the object content we have changed. So that is why it is called as list as mutable. First and foremost point you have to remember.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, things to remember. Okay. Duplication is done. Okay. Heterogeneous list we have modified. Okay. And the object remains the same only. Okay. For these. Okay. Order is preserved or not? Absolutely. All the order is preserved. This is called as list. Okay. Now let's get back to the tuple. Okay. List has got square brackets like this. Okay. tuple has got these brackets 10, 20, 30. One thing I would like to say, okay, if I give like this, okay, if I give like this 10, 20 or something like that, okay, type of A, if I give like this, okay, type of A, it will automatically convert it into tuple. Anything, if you give multiple values to it, automatically gets converted into tuple. It doesn't require for you to give. Okay. Now I have run it. Okay, it is a tuple. Okay. Now first characteristics, what it is?
Duplication. Duplication.
Duplication is allowed or not? Let me put. Okay, two things we will do it in same time. Okay, A of 10, okay, is equal to, okay, A of 0 is equal to 100. I would like to put, or A of 3 I will put now this time. Okay, whether it will take or not, let us see. I am trying to put new value.
So you can put the same.
Tuple object does not support item assignment. Got it?
Yes, yes.
Why? Because once if you create an object, okay, you cannot modify it. I have created at the beginning only, and now I am trying to modify it. It is not possible. It doesn't even create a new object. Okay, it will just throw you an error. That is tuple. Okay, it will throw you an error if you try to for x in A print of x. Okay, one by one value. Okay, anything I have done mistake over here? Okay, here this error is okay. I got the first three values. Okay, then after that I got the error. What it is telling me, boss, tuple object does not support item assignment. Please don't put anything. Okay, now list modification is not possible. That you have come to know. Okay, heterogeneous is supported or not. That is what I want to know. Okay, first duplications, if it is not supported from here, okay, at least forget. I'll put here only 10. Whether now it is allowed or not, let me check. So now you tell me duplications is allowed or not?
Allowed.
Okay, duplications is allowed. What is the next characteristic? Heterogeneous. Okay. So anyhow, item value assignment is not possible. From here only we have to check. Okay. Heterogeneous, I have used 10.5 also, and I have used 10 plus 5j, 10 plus 5j, okay, and I have used some list also in between, okay, just for your sake, okay, and I run that. Okay, heterogeneous is allowed or not? Allowed. Correct, right? So this is one more characteristics of tuple, that is heterogeneous is allowed. Next, what is list is modifiable? No. Correct, right? We are not able to modify it. Okay. Now, order is preserved or not? It is preserved. How I can check it? Now I can check it using, okay, small example here. Okay. Print. Say for example, some specific index I would like to see. A of, say, second element, that is 1. I would like to know what it is. Okay, 1. Okay, yeah, then I have got hello means it is 2. Okay, now 0, 1, 2. Hello I want to get. So since indexing is possible, okay, you can get the exact value. So order is there. So that's why order is preserved. That's why indexing is there. Okay, you got that. Okay, you got that. Okay, Siddhant and Siddharth, both of you clear with these characteristics of tuple. 100%. I can go
Yes,
to the
sir.
next. Okay. So that is called as tuple. Now we have something called as set. Okay. Let's get back to the set. A is equal to, like this I have. Okay. Set means like this only we'll put, right? Okay. If you see type of A. Okay. Let me run that. It is a dictionary it will show. Remember guys, by default, if you consider this is as a set, set will be designated with this flower bracket open and flower bracket close. Okay, flower bracket open and flower bracket close. If you get this particular thing, okay, by default something without anything, okay, only like this, okay, by default it will be considered as dictionary. By default this is called as dictionary. Okay, it is not considered as a set. Okay, for that what you have to do to create an empty set, okay, set like this you have to give, okay, uh, or you can say it as 10 comma 20 example. I'm just giving. Now you see what it is turned out to be, set. Okay, dictionary is what we'll see later. Okay, so if you give empty and if you ask it to be like a set, okay, it is not going to be a set. Okay, if you want to make it as a set, what you have to empty set of something like this. Okay, now it turned out to be empty set. Earlier if you try to put empty like this, okay, it is not considered as empty set, it considered as dictionary. But if you want to explicitly make, okay, some values, okay, here, okay, then it will be considered as set only. But sometimes beginning of the program you want to have an empty set, so you want to create empty set, don't create like this. Okay, set function you use, that's it. It will create a empty set. Now later point of time you can add, remove, everything you can do. I mean like sorry, you can use that set for whichever the purpose you want. Okay, now set I have. First characteristic. What it is the first characteristic?
Duplication. Duplication is
First,
allowed.
okay. Duplication is allowed or not. Okay. First, let me add. That will create lot of issues for us. Okay. Okay. First element is 0, right? I would like to add 100%. Okay. Whether it allowed or not. What it is selling?
It doesn't support assignment.
Then what type of object it is? Mutable or immutable?
Immutable.
Set is immutable like tuple. Okay, like tuple set is also immutable. Like fundamental data types, it is also immutable. Okay, now mm, okay, one more thing. Where it is? Let me remove this. Okay. Uh, okay. Now you are telling like that, right? So wantedly, I am choosing these words very carefully. Okay. Mm, let me give it like this. Okay. Something 5,000, 10,000.
So, sir, in one nutshell, we can say that list only allows assignment and that
No, 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 no.
tuple
You are going to change that perception. Whatever like list and tuple till now, whatever the perception you have, keep it like that. But this data set, we haven't explored yet everything. Okay. So at the end, you will come to know, like within this example.
Okay.
Okay. Whether it is mutable or immutable, everything after seeing everything. Okay. And 500 something. Now let me print of A. Okay, let me do it. Guys, what you are observing here? What you have observed here?
Here is
Hmm?
Order is changed.
Perfect. Order is preserved or not?
No, it is not.
No, not
No
preserved.
preservation. Yes.
Order is not preserved. Siddharth, got it? Order is not preserved in set.
Yeah.
Okay. Because indexing is not there. Now, if I want to get the value, say for example, print, okay, a of 0 I want to get. Okay. A of 0 I want to get the value. What I will be getting, I won't get anything. Okay. Set object is not subscriptable, means indexing is not possible. Okay. That is the reason why you got, okay, mod error when you try to add some element. But one thing I would like to you guys to know. Say there is print s of print dir of yes, means like all the functions that a, right? Okay, a. Okay, all the functions that set provides. It can add elements, it can clear, it can copy, it can difference you can identify in between two sets, you can discard some elements, insertion, everything it happens. Okay, but indexing was not there, that's why you are not able to append it. But there is something called as add function is there. Now let's use that at least. Okay, a dot add of I want to add some element 100. Okay, I want to add some element. Okay, now I want to print a. Okay, now let me check the id of a. uh, Print. Okay, I'll copy this, and after modification I want to have the value. Okay, what is the id? Now tell me, now you people will be confidently say that order is not preserved, but set is a mutable or immutable.
Mutable, sir.
That is a mutable thing. That is the important thing you have to remember. But one important thing, okay, one important thing, okay, they are pointing to the same object, correct, right?
Yes.
Order is not preserved, correct, right? Set is a mutable or immutable? It is a mutable. Now it is clear for our minds. Siddharth, it is clear for our mind, right?
Yes.
Set is a mutable. Okay. Now what other characteristics we have? Duplications are allowed or not? Let me check. Let me try to add. Let me try to add instead of 50 already here, right? One more 50 I would like to put it over here. Okay, one more 50 I would like to add. Okay. Did I get okay? Guys, I'm extremely sorry. Okay. Did I get extra 50 here?
No, sir.
Duplications is allowed or not? Sets. Duplication allowed or not?
No, no duplication is
No.
allowed, I think.
Yes. Sets and tuples and list duplications is allowed or not?
Yes.
Yes, that points you have to remember. That's why I first made you to learn the characteristics, and then I'm making you guys to learn how to get it. If someone asks you any question related to sets, you will just remember, and if you give the characteristics, that's it.
But
They will
why
think
there was
that
no
this
error
guy is
in
because duplication, you are trying to add it, it doesn't throw an error. Okay.
can we
You
add
are not,
something else?
yeah, if it is there, it will first take that value, tries to add it. If it is there, then it doesn't do any erroring or anything because it is there. You are not trying to put anything, okay, there. You are not trying to modify it. Existing value is there, that's it. So it
So why
doesn't throw
does
you
the
any error.
It
Yeah.
didn't change, it didn't give any error, but it changed the reference address, right? Address wasn't same. So can we add 100 again?
Okay.
Value is 944. So you can add it in the 50 itself.
Okay. Correct, right?
Yes,
100. You want one more 50?
no,
A
that
dot.
is okay, sir. That is
Oh,
okay, sir.
okay.
We
Okay.
only
Now let
have
me share.
the print,
Oh, print I have to give.
but it
Print.
is still okay, sir, not an issue. You can see the value has changed. The reference value has
Yeah, yeah,
changed.
yeah. Let us, when we do it, we'll do it clearly. Yeah. Now, if you see this, A dot add 100, it is not added. Is there anywhere I did mistake? Anywhere I did mistake?
Just a
In
A
second.
dot.
bracket, I think.
Oh,
In bracket.
100 it is already there, right?
Hmm.
100 is already there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I want to give any 1000, okay, let me put 1000.
1000 is also no. Yeah,
No,
1000. Yeah.
no, it is
You
not there,
can't.
right? 1000 is not there.
Yeah, so it is
10,000 it is.
added.
Okay, it is added. Okay. Just remember where it is going to get added is also you don't know because indexing is not possible.
Yes.
Okay, it will just randomly it will get added over there. Okay. Did you mention anywhere here only it has to get added like that? No,
No,
right?
no, sir. We don't have
Okay.
indexing.
So no indexing. Okay, this is called as what? Guys, this is called as what?
This one.
Set. Set. Okay. Now, whether we'll see, we revisit all the characteristics. Duplications is allowed or not?
Not right.
Not
Not allowed.
allowed. Heterogeneous is allowed or not?
We didn't see this.
We have to check it. Okay. Now, let me take this last one instead of 1000. Let me put hello.
Sir, it is allowed, I think.
Yes, that same way. Slowly you have to understand whether it might be allowed or not.
Because
Adding
last
it is allowed
time,
because it is
last,
not something bytes or anything, right? It is
hmm,
not bytes or anything. There is no restrictions. Okay, see, allowed.
because last time you wrote 50 with a single quote and it
Yes,
took, right? So I thought
correct,
it was a
correct.
string value. Okay.
Yes. Okay, now this is called as heterogeneous.
Heterogeneous in
So
nature.
heterogeneous is allowed. Okay, now list is modifiable or not? Yes, it is.
Yes.
We have
It is
modified,
modified. Yes, sir.
not list. Okay, type data. Data is modifiable or not? Data. Okay. Elements are list of elements like that. Data is modifiable or not? Yes, it is modified. Order is preserved or not? Not
Hmm.
preserved.
Okay.
So that is important things. Now we have finished this thing also, right? Sets
Yes.
also easily we have finished, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now next what we have is what is the problem? Sometimes I require some data whatever I have taken. I doesn't want. I want all the characteristics of set. Okay. What are the characteristics? I shouldn't be having indexing and heterogeneous to be maintained. Okay. I shouldn't be having indexing. Indexing I don't want. Heterogeneous to be maintained. Okay. But I don't want people to modify my data. I don't let my any of the people to be modifying my data. During that time, you use something called as frozen set. Yeah, got it? It have same characteristics like byte and bytes array. Bytes was not allowing the elements to add. Byte array was allowing to add. In reverse, set is allowing, and we doesn't want the frozen set not to allow anything. Now let us try to what do you say? See some characteristics of frozen set. Okay, A is equal to set empty set you have taken. Okay, now adding element, what we have to do? A dot add, correct, right?
Yes.
Some 10 I have taken. Okay, print A Okay. Now I'll have 10 value 10 in the set. Correct, right? Till here it is clear, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what I'll do, I will add multiple elements. Okay. Some 2 to 3 elements I'll add after that. Hello. Okay. And I'll add one list of elements 10, uh, some my name. Okay. Some 10.5, something like that. Let me run this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Unhashable type in the list. Okay. This it won't get converted. So this thing will not be possible. I think other things will be possible. Um, 10 plus. That's why I try different things during this when I am explaining you guys, because some things which I might have not also come across. So those things I'll try so that you will also will be able to get to know. Unhashable. Unhashable means like all elements should be of the same type. Okay. See, it is like this. 10.5 I have given. Okay. It will throw same error. So all the elements should be of the same type. Like it can be hello. Let me check whether it is allowed or not. Still it is. Oh, okay. 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 Like this you cannot give it, I guess. Okay. Only like this only you have to give. Okay. Let us see later. In advanced, we'll try to explain you guys. But let us give some 10 plus pi j. Okay. Like this you have. And you got some values. Okay. No problem. Till here you have created the frozen set. I mean,
So means
set
list
you have.
of elements we can't add in the set, sir. List of
No,
elements
no,
we
no, no,
can't
no.
add.
Hashable. Like if I have something a is equal to beginning itself, I am getting like this 10, 20. Let maybe let me check that 10,
No,
30.
no, it is the list only. No, I am talking about set.
Which one? Okay,
In
let me
set,
check.
we cannot
Yeah,
add
yeah,
list
yeah,
of
yeah. That's what.
elements, I think.
Yeah, let me check whether it is first of all possible or not. Yeah, you cannot have list or other things in that. Okay. Uh,
Hmm.
for example, one more thing what you have to remember, if I have 10.5 itself, okay, let me check this. Okay, it is allowed. Okay, now list of other arguments I will try 10 comma 20. Okay, okay, got it. Unhashable things it is not possible. Like multiple values, things it won't be in a position to understand. Okay, so even if it is like unhashable things, it is not possible. Okay, just forget about it. Let's focus on now our this thing. Okay, even I recommend you guys to just try different approaches when we are practicing. Okay, now our main focus is to understand this. Okay, now I have the set is created. Okay, now what I want is I want to convert this into frozen set. Okay, now to convert anything into the frozen set, set how you have to create a set, what you have done, empty set of something, correct, right? Correct, right? Set of something. Okay, now frozen set, say for example, now B is a frozen set. So frozen set, what you have to give is here, just put A. Okay, now A value you have it here. Okay, now let me print that, print type of B. Okay, run it. It is a frozen set. Print Before to that, whatever you had, okay, what is the type A? It is a set type. Now this after conversion, you got it into frozen set. Now what I want is I want to add A dot add, okay, B dot add, sorry, B dot add, okay, say 5,000 I have to add, 500 or 5,000 something. I'll try to run it. Frozen object has no attribute add. Got it,
Yes, sir.
guys?
Yes, sir.
Thereof B. Run it. Remove it. Control X. Did you find anywhere add over here? Any add function? Huh? Add function is here. Frozen set, all what and all you can do with frozen set is this. Okay. Did you have anywhere add? You cannot add. You cannot add over here. You cannot remove. So set is a mutable or immutable?
Immutable. Sir. Oh, mutable. Set is mutable. This
Ah,
is
frozen set is a
immutable.
immutable. That's it. Okay. Now, guys, is it clear? Siddharth, it's clear for you also, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have seen sets and frozen sets. Okay. Next, what element we have? Guys, I'm just giving you the introduction. That's it. Okay. It is not something related to like we have come up, I mean, like finished everything related to bytes or anything. It's just a starting point. Okay. Just we are getting familiarized. Next in this week, if you go and see something, some data, oh, this is a set. Okay, this is a frozen set. Some code you will be able to understand at least. Okay. So now dictionaries. Next we'll go for the dictionaries. Dictionaries. Okay. Now let me go for the dictionary. Okay. Okay. A is equal to, this is what I have given that time. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh? This is what?
Dictionary.
Dictionary type. Okay. Now, guys, I want to tell you one important thing. Okay. During the dictionaries, okay, what you have to understand is dictionary means what you will remember usually. What you will remember. What you remember.
A
If
book
I
of
said,
words.
huh?
How many words? A book of words and meanings.
Correct. Book with will have some word with some meaning. Okay. Now let me show you something. Notepad, not notepad. I want paint. Where is the paint? Where is the paint? Guys, paint, paint. It is here. Okay, guys, new page. Okay, okay. This is a dictionary, correct, right? Okay, I think my connector is not, my pad connector is not connected. Okay, now marker should be working. What happened to this? Okay, now it is working. Okay, see guys, one thing I would like to say, this is a dictionary, correct, right? When you open dictionary, okay, left side what it will be there, right side what it will be there.
Words. Meanings.
Left side word will be there. Okay, right side this will be there. First, two things you let me know. First, there is a word apple, okay, and there is a meaning called it is a fruit which will be in the rectangle. I mean, like it will be like in red color, something like that. They will say, okay, okay, like this apple colon. It is a fruit. It is like this only, right? Colon. It will be a fruit. It will be like sweet. and red in color, something they might have written, something. Okay. Now, apple, first word is apple. Will there be any chance next word also apple, or anywhere in the dictionary you will get apple again?
No, sir. Unique words.
Siddharth, Siddharth, you're there, Siddharth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
If
sir. Yes,
you
sir.
if you
Actually
have
screen got this.
okay, see, if you have apple somewhere, okay, apple is a
Yeah.
fruit, it is in red color, like that it will be there. Is there any possibility that in dictionary, once a word is there, for that you will have the same word, uh, some other location will be there? Is there
No,
any
no.
chance? No, because word for one dictionary, each word will be having one time only. For that, you will have some
Correct.
meaning. Correct, right? This
Yes.
word,
Yes.
anything. But these things, like what are the meaning? Say, for example, small book. If you say small pocket book, apple. Okay,
Yes.
apple is a fruit. Okay, in uh, sweet in taste. Okay, then okay, mango. Okay, is a fruit, is in sweet in taste. Okay, orange is a fruit, is in sweet in taste. Okay, values can be duplicated. Correct, right? These values can be duplicated. Okay, this is the word and it is meaning. Correct, right? Meaning can be duplicated. Any number of times it can repeat. Correct, right? But these words should not be duplicated. Correct, right? That is what the dictionary. Correct, right? Guys, respond.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that is why I say dictionary means you have a key and you have a value, comma, key, colon, value, comma, key, colon, value. First thing is key and you will have a value. Key, value, key, value. Okay. Keys are unique for this dictionary. Values can be duplicated. Okay. Now I will say, okay, roll number 101. Okay. Now here only my name is Raghav. Roll number 102, Siddharth. Okay. Roll number 103, Siddhant. Roll number 104, Siddharth. Some other Siddharth, not you. This can be duplicated. Okay. But roll number is not duplicated. Okay. So one more thing. I can say that it will be like this only. All the in a dictionary, okay, it will be in this particular format.
Sir, it's similar like primary key value in a database,
Yes,
correct?
yes, yes, correct. Okay, but there it is like kind of what do you say, similar type of data will be there. But here, what, how it will be, whether like how we can access all those things, characteristics we know, right? Now let us see, let us understand how to access them. Okay, everything. Huh? Let's get back to our uh, basics. Uh, Let me take this. Okay. Guys, I'm trying to uh, take two or three classes in weekdays, okay, if possible, okay, so that the next batch is not somewhere beyond, okay. We were just 1 week before, okay. If I cover 2 to 3 topics, you guys will be able to merge with the next batch. Weekdays, like 2 or 3 days, 1 hour, it is possible for you guys or not?
The timings?
You tell. I know Siddhant will provide flexible timings based on my requirement because he's already doing internship with me. So I know the Siddhant timings. That's not an issue. Your timing only I need.
Sir, before 2, is it possible?
Yes, morning before 2 o'clock, right? Huh?
So morning, what time, sir? Like
I
you're
am telling
planning?
you, right? If you want early, I can place early. Okay.
Means between 11 to 12, I'm good.
Okay. Then we'll do that. Okay.
Yes.
We'll do that. That's okay. Siddhant, Siddhant,
Yes,
it's okay for you, right?
yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Between 11 to 12.
Yeah, yeah. We'll take 2 to 3 classes, okay? So that it will be like we can because just one class you guys are behind. Yesterday I didn't took any class for them, okay? Because of that, what happened? You are just one class behind them. So I can actually put the same effort for you guys. And one more thing, only next batch also only 4 people only will be there. It's not like 20 people kind of thing. I don't keep like that batches, okay, but at least 3 people, one more guy has to join today, Ramesh. He is not joined. I'll be sharing video with him. So you 3 guys and other those, that batch is also 4 people, okay, not beyond that. So maximum 5 6 people will only be there, that's it. Okay, 3 plus 3 6 and include me as
So,
7.
sir, in this coming week only we will be having the class, right? Till Monday to Friday between.
This coming, yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay.
After,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, fine. Now let's get back to our discussion on dictionaries. Okay, so guys, remember, dictionary is like you can create empty like this, and if I want to add anything, okay, how it should look? 10 colon 101 I have. Okay, Raghav. Okay, comma 102 Ramesh. Okay, make sure string means put it in the quotes only, singular, double quote, or triple quote, whichever you want. Okay, 103, it is Siddharth. Okay, 104, it is Khan. Okay, now we have the data. Okay, now I don't want type, I want print. Okay, let me print it. Now I got the data or not? First of all, you tell me, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem, right? Super, guys. Okay, now let me get back. Print. Now let's get back to the what do you say? Our characteristics. First characteristics, guys.
Duplication.
Huh?
Duplication.
Duplications. Let me try to add something. How I can add? First, I should learn that. For doing the duplication, first I should be able to add. Okay. So before to that, accessing the variable is possible with what? Index. Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now do we have index? Let's try. A of 0 I want. Okay. Let's try. At least to try. Let me run this. What is happening? Some error I have got. Error 0 something. Even I also doesn't know. Some error. 0 means you are asking what is that? Correct, right? Key error. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what it is telling. 0 means what? 0 means what? What it is considering this? 0.
False.
No, no. 0 is considering as what? What it is telling? Guys, here only it is there.
Key error.
Key error means it doesn't take index values. It takes only keys. Got it, right? Okay. If I say 101. Oh, sorry, guys. If I give 101. Okay. And if I try to run this. Oh, God. Something modifications I have done it. Uh, Copy it. Oh, something here. Okay, now it should have cleared all those issues. Yeah, okay. 101. Now let me run that. Oh God, we'll keep it here. Some special keys will be there, right? By mistakenly, if you click them, okay. Now I want a of 0. If I try to do that, what is telling it to me? Key error. Some key you are entered, that is wrong. Even though I am considering it is like index, but it only giving me input as key error. Means it is thinking 0 as key. Okay, oh maybe key I'll give. Okay, 101 I'll give. Okay, what it said, what is the output it gave me? Raghav. So if you give key, it will give you the value. Got it?
Yes.
So now indexing is not there, but how we can point any value? Using
Key value.
key.
Key value.
Using the key.
Key.
Okay. So dictionary, no indexing. Okay. Dictionary, what you have? This thing. Okay. Yes. And one more thing. Here I'm not able to show you. So now you tell me. Indexing is not there. So order is preserved or not?
It is preserved, sir.
No. Indexing is not there. Order will be preserved or not?
We need to see.
That's what. Here it is not possible. Okay. But I'll write it and give it to you guys. Okay. There is no chance that dictionary will give you within the same order. For huge data set, there will be modifications. Remember this point alone. That's it. Okay. If you have huge data, right, like this key values like that, okay, some things will come somewhat, say for example, let me check. Let me try to reproduce it. Okay. 1 is equal to 1 colon Mahesh 500 Suresh 300 301 L. Yes. Okay. Let me try to run it. Suresh but I can guarantee you guys that but here also I'm not able to reproduce it, but few huge data set, okay, order will not get preserved. Okay, that I'll write it and give. When you come to know that indexing is not there, okay, you consider by default it is like order is not preserved. Remember guys, logically you just keep it in this particular point in your mind. Siddharth,
Yes, sir.
okay, just remember this. For huge data set you can see it, but I cannot show you guys now. Okay, try multiple times. But huge data set you can see, but here I'm not able to show you guys. Forget about this. Now order is not preserved, that blindly you follow it because indexing is not there. Okay, now duplications is allowed or not? Okay, let me come. Okay, duplication is allowed or not? That is what I am telling. It is telling. Okay, now indexing is not there. How you can add the values? First you have to remember that. Correct, right? Duplications is allowed or not? Let me check. That we will see it later. Let me put 101 itself. One more one. 101. Okay, and let me put some Ravi. I will put here. Okay, did I give duplicate key, right? Let me check with only duplicate keys. Okay, I have 101 is there and here also 101. Let me check whether it allowed or not. Okay, if you observe clearly what happened,
Override.
overwritten happened. Okay, so duplications is allowed here. Are you able to see two 101s?
No.
Same way like dictionary. Same way like dictionary. One value you have given, it went into that place. That's it. Order is not preserved, nothing. Okay. Correct, right? Order is not preserved. And whatever the new value it comes with the key, it has taken that thing. Okay. Previous value it ignored. 101 Ravi is there. 101 Ragam is not there now. Am I correct or not? So duplication
Yes.
is allowed or not?
No, not allowed.
No, not allowed. Okay. Now, first thing we have cleared. Duplications are not allowed. Okay. Now, heterogeneous. Okay. Values it is waste. You can give anything. That is not. Now, key is only important thing. Now, let us try to give duplicate. I mean, we have seen it now. Different types of other type of keys. Let me give. Okay. Say this is the one. Now I want something name to be kept Raghav, okay, as a key, okay, and put some value 101, something I would like. This is a value. Remember, guys, this is a value, not key. Okay. Now Raghav is the key. Will it take it or not? Correct, right? Heterogeneous. That is only we call it as heterogeneous, right? Correct, right? We have all the keys as 101, 102 like that. In that I have kept one particular thing Raghav. Now let us see that whether it will take. That is called as heterogeneous. Now what happened, guys? It took or not? Guys, it took or not? Heterogeneous is allowed or not? Huh?
Allowed, sir. It took.
Siddharth?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, heterogeneous is allowed. Remember, for dictionaries, heterogeneous is allowed. No need to worry about anything at all. Okay. Now, this is this thing, this is this thing, all those things. Fantastic. Now everything is done. Okay. Duplicate is allowed or not? It is not allowed. Heterogeneous is allowed or not? Heterogeneous is allowed. Okay. The next point what we have, data can be modified or not. Okay. Now guys, how to access the data? Now we know how to access the data. How to access the data?
Key
A
value.
of key value. Correct, right? Now, what you have to do is, yeah, if I want key value whichever it is there as 101, I would like to modify it as Mallesh something. Okay, let me check print of A. Before to that, I want to know the ID location. Sorry, ID location of A, print ID of A. Okay, and the same way after modification, what is the ID of A? Okay, after modification. Check, guys, what it is there. Now my data got modified or not?
Yes, sir. Malesh.
Object is same or not? Object is same, right?
Yes, sir. Reference value.
Got converted it into this thing. So now you tell me, is it mutable or immutable?
Mutable, sir.
It is mutable.
Mutable.
So dictionaries are mutable. Okay. Different types of data is allowed or not? Heterogeneous is or not? Heterogeneous is, it is heterogeneous. Duplications are allowed or not? Duplications
Not
are
allowed.
not allowed. So let us come back to our this thing. So order itself, consider that it is not preserved as because it is not indexed. Okay, it can come whichever way it want. Okay, so that's why we have how to indexing is not there. That is the reason why we have key value. Use the key to print something. So for example, if I want to print anything, print something, I want some value, I have to use A of 104. Okay, now if I run it, then I'll get the name, the value. Okay, this is called as dictionary. Okay, this is also one type of data. Okay.
Sir, even though
Mm. Go ahead.
even though you don't have this data set doesn't have any indexing possibility,
Right.
but still you are able to access a value, right? Like 101 through the key
Key only you are able to access it.
access.
There is no chance by accessing it with indexing, because when you say index, when you give like this some index value 1 like that, if you are thinking, it
Yes.
will tell that, oh, you need the a of 1. A of 1 means it will check when something is there, and it will come to know that something 1 it is here. So now if I want to say index value as 0, okay, 1 is there, you got it. If I say 0, that means that it is considering as key. Okay, then it is boss. There is no such key like 0. Key error. Huh? So it is considers index value as key. Okay, just remember that. Okay, nothing to get scared or anything. Okay. So this is about the dictionary. Guys, you have learnt all these dictionaries, all these data sets, okay, data types. Okay, now one last data type is remaining over here, that is called as range. Okay, let's see what is range. Range means, you tell me range of 10, any numbers, range of 10, all the numbers range of 10. Okay, range of 10. Okay, when I click this, it will be 0 to 10, means 0 to 9 only. Okay, how? For x in range of 10. I'll remove this. Okay, now see what values you will get. Print of x. Okay, now it will print one by one value. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means whatever the value you have, okay, start, range of start, okay, to end. If you don't give anything as start value, it will consider it as 0. Okay, if you give any end value, it will consider end minus 1. Means end minus 1 means index 9 I have to print. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now end minus 1. Okay, you can give step value also. We have seen this or not earlier during the string, guys? Did I explain this thing, string, during the string, guys?
No, sir. Step I
Did I explain this thing
Yes.
in the so that is the thing. So for example, if I want uh, 100 range numbers to be printed, okay, and what I want is 100 with the step 5 I want. See what happens. Okay, either it should be like 0 to 100. Yeah, 0 to 100. Okay, what, what? Oh. Remove this. Okay, 100 comma 5 value. Let me run this. Okay, I'll run it. Let me put it like this. First, let me put it for x in range of 100. Okay, got it. Okay, so first I got 0 to 99 numbers. Okay, if I give, okay, some value like this, okay, it will give me, it doesn't give me anything, because 100 it will start index 99 and it will go towards the 5. So right side it has to go. So what it will happen, it doesn't happen anything. So if I say minus 5 something like that, minus 1 something like that, See, that time it will come from behind. Okay, you see this, first 100 it will be there, then 99, then 98, like that in reverse order, because I am giving step value as -1, reverse order till 5. 5 means 5 before to that what number it is there? 6, correct, right? When it is coming, okay, till 6 it will come. Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay, it will print like that. Okay, this is the starting. If I want like from 5 to, okay, 100, okay, with a step count of 5. Now see this, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, like this. So range is nothing but also a data type, okay, where you can keep set of values. Okay, now let us see the characteristics. Okay, like this only. Can range be modified? Once if you have these values, can it be, is it possible to insert anything here in the range? Is it possible for us? There is no possibility, correct, right? How you can? Is it just list of numbers? That's it. You cannot add or modify it. This is list of some numbers, some range of values, whichever you are trying to access, correct, right? There is no modification. Okay, order is preserved. Yes, always any number of times you run, you will get the same order. Okay, indexing is there. Indexing is there. No indexing or anything. It is already internally got like sequenced numbers. Okay, so when it comes to range, what, no one will ask these questions, but duplications won't be there because the numbers are sequential numbers. Heterogeneous is not possible because only numbers only you can use it. Data is modified, not at all possible. Okay, order is preserved. Yes, it is preserved. This is about the range. That's it. It is just, range is a data type which they gave us for accessing, like for loops, all these things. For that particular purpose we can use them. Okay, yes, this is a data type. Okay, where you can have like numbers you can have. Okay, okay, now you tell me guys, is it understood for you or not, first of all,
Yes, sir.
till here? Huh,
Yes.
Siddharth, you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so till today we have covered all those things, all related the data types. Okay, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, depending upon one day before, I'll let you know. We will be going to operators. Okay, operators, different types of addition, subtraction, multiplication, all those things will be finishing it. Okay, so core Java, I mean, sorry, core Python. Now we have finished almost 30 to 35%. We have finished core only I am talking about. Okay, if you are very strong at these data types, you will be able to 15 minutes of your interview questions, you will be able to answer them without any issues. Okay, got it? Okay, now what I want is, are you comfortable now to increase my pace? Like, are you able to understand what I'm explaining? Or you want me to reduce the speed, or you want me to increase the speed now? Or this speed is okay?
It is okay, sir.
Okay. For you, Siddharth,
It's good. It's good. It's okay, sir.
good.
Nice.
Okay. Okay. So now till today, no doubts, right, for you guys? Huh? I request you guys to go to strings, work a lot. Okay. We are going to work on like all different functions of strings next Monday. Before to that, we will be finishing all these things. Next Monday, we'll do functions and all. Then after that, we will see. Okay. Uh, that is the thing. Okay. Guys, I hope you guys understood everything. Okay. Till now, without any issue. I'll be sharing you the video. Okay. And just to drop your email IDs so that I can add you guys to that. Hmm? Okay. And I'll let you guys know when we'll have the next class. Huh? Okay.
Sir, what about this
Mail
strings?
ID on Telegram or here only?
Telegram you put. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Siddharth. Yeah.
Siddhant,
Yeah, sir. Regarding these classes, these will happen only in this week, right? The coming week.
yeah,
After
yeah,
that,
yeah.
it will be
Coming week
same.
only. We'll combine the batch. Okay, on Monday. Flow controls we can start. Huh?
And after that, next week onwards, it will be same weekends only.
Weekends only. We will be starting little early. Okay, maybe 9 o'clock or something like that. Huh? 8:30,
Okay.
7:30. It will be best time for programming. To be frank, but I am not able to wake up morning early. Okay, so but if you get to wake up at 7:30, that is the correct time to learn any programming language. I suggest, but even I also doesn't wake up by 7:30 nowadays because of the work. Maybe at least Sunday, Saturday we should be able to, because that is the time, right? You will, your mind will be focusing on only one particular thing. Whatever you learn during that time, right? Because those are the first elements of the day, what you learn, they will get into your permanent location easily. So later, if you like within another 2 hours, if you just try to do some hands-on, right? Okay, then like if you do it like within another one week, 2 times, if you try to practice them, they will get like stagnated in your mind itself. Okay, we'll try to do that. Huh? I'll try to keep it. I suggest everyone, but myself only I won't be able to get. I mean, wake up by 7 that I'll yesterday night some videos I started watching, so then it went off because my when we finished Siddhant 10:45
Yes, sir.
something, right?
Yes, sir. 10:45.
We finished all
10:47.
our that weekend batch internship thing 10:30, 10:45. As I said, I didn't get sleep. People were shouting. Uh, I went and started watching some what do you say that some video, some conference videos. Okay, and then it went off. Okay, fine then. That's all for today. Okay, we'll give you an update, but both of you share me that this thing. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me. Yes, that's all for today. Let's hope tomorrow how it happens. I'll just give you an update. Whoever want this videos, just ping me. Okay, not an issue.
Yes,
We'll take care. Hmm? Bye, guys. See you. Hmm?
Sir,
Take... Hello, who is this?
sir,
Oh, Girija.
Girija, yes,
Oh, you joined. Very good. Okay, Girija, did you understood the class today? I didn't see
yes, sir.
you join.
I joined in
Huh?
the middle of the session, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, fine then, not an issue. Okay, just drop me the message. Okay, if you need anything, just let me know. I'll help you out. Okay.
Sir,
Hmm?
ping me
Yeah,
the videos link, sir.
yeah. You just send me the ID. Hmm? Gmail ID. Hmm?
Okay, sir.
In Telegram. Okay. Fine then. Hmm? Okay. Hmm? Bye guys. Take care. Okay. Stop the video.